Alright, good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is the first time of seeing my video, do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a video you'll be the first to get it. So in today's video I'll be showing you on how to remove blemish using this action. So if I get enough comments and engagement on this particular video, I'll come and teach how you can actually create this action and how you apply it to your retouching process. So I got to download this image from Perfect channel. So you can see that it's written on it that for educational purpose only. So I'll write it to it. So I already duplicated my background layer, so I'll just go to my actions, then I'll click on my action. Then we have our action loaded here. So what I'll just do, I'll take my normal brush, make sure my flow is set to around 5%. So if it doesn't work effectively, because this is an action created, if it doesn't work you can increase a little. So I'll just do like around 20%. So we'll just brush over this blemish to remove it. So if it's not showing effectively, I can still increase my flow. Mind you, I'm going to take my flow to around 40. So I just paint over the blemish. Just paint over the blemish. So if you think this can be included to your workflow, why not just comment on the comment section that you need this. So I'll do a class on how you can add this to your workflow. Seeing that some blemish are too much and you want to just remove it, and this also work that you have retouched the skin, you don't even have to start doing it again. So just carefully remove blemishes. So that's just it. Carefully remove blemish. So just simple as this. So you can also apply to these ones on the body. Out. So let's see our before and after. Before, after. So if you think this will be helpful to your workflow, so comment in the comment section, share this video so other people to get it, so I'll know if I'm going to do a class on this yet or still hold on to it. Peace out guys.